Hello everyone, my name is Simran Bakshi and my student ID CH10345883. And here is the table of contents and the next introduction. Today I will present my database project called Art Workshop System. The purpose of this project is to design and implement a relational database system for managing art workshops, instructors, venues, attendees, and tickets. The project was developed using MySQL and MySQL Workbench. The second is system design. The database contains 5 main entities. First one like venues, second instructors, workshops, attendees, and tickets. Venue store workshop location information, instructor store facilitator information and specialist, workshop content events details, and attending store participant information, tickets, connect, attendings, and workshops. The third is relationship and cardinality. One venue can host many workshops. One instructor can conduct many workshops. The ticket table resolves the many-to-many relationship between workshops and attendings. The design follows the third normal form. And integrity constraints. Primary keys uniquely identify records. Foreign keys maintain relationships. Unique constraints prevent duplicate emails. Check constraints validate ticket prices, venue capacity, and payment status. One like on delete cascade removes related tickets records automatically. And implementation. The project was divided into 3 SQL files. Like the first creates the schema and tables. The second inserts sample data. The third contains operational queries. And coming to the data population, the database includes 3 venues, 3 instructors, 4 workshops, 4 attendings, and 5 tasks. And coming to the operational queries, the first query generates a guest list. The second calculates ticket sales and project revenue. Like the third demonstrate and update operation. The fourth demonstrate delete and cascading deletion. And coming to the results, the guest list query returned expected records, and the revenue query calculated revenue successfully. The update query change payment status correctly. The delete operation automatically removed related ticket records. Like guest list select, revenue, aggregation update, payment status, delete, attendings, final ticket select. And then next, challenges and solutions. Challenges included foreign key, ordering and verifying, cascading, delete behavior. These were resolved through testing and proper database design. And coming to the conclusion, the Art Workshop system demonstrates a complete relational database implementation with normalized tables, relationships, constraints, and SQL operations. Future improvements include store procedures, triggers, payments, tracking, reviews, and cloud deployment. And then next, I will show you GitHub repository. First, here is my references. This is the GitHub repository containing the SQL scripts, project report, and spotting files. Yes, thank you for watching my presentation.